Hello lovely people, welcome back to new video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to talk about public profiles on Snapchat. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive right into this exciting video. Just open your Snapchat and go to the profile by tapping the bit emoji into the top left corner. And after going to your profile, you can see this My Public Profile option here. So you don't have to open your public profile separately after opening the Snapchat account. But if it's not open, it will show the option to create a public profile directly. You should go to your Snapchat public profile option and try that by making the public profile in your Snapchat and add some stories publicly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. We'll meet in another video. Till then, keep loving the technology.